So everyone's attention is on Solana as they set to launch their mysterious ignition event today, leading up to October 8th. Now, lots of speculation and questions are circling around what this event entitles. Is it a token burn event, or is it a new feature added to the blockchain? Could it be more of an event for decentralized application developers or NFT creators? The Solana website says sky's the limit. What will you launch? So lots of questions to be answered and no one really knows for now, but one thing I can tell you for sure is that the excitement is definitely building up. Even Charles Hoskinson, who's the founder of Cardano, commented on this and congratulated the Solana team, asking about more details, which the co-founder of Solana was more than happy to provide. Now, a lot of analysts are attributing Solana's recent explosive price action to multiple factors. Last week, we had Pyth Network, which is a real-time data feeder, announcing that they will go live on the Solana's blockchain through its cross-chain communication tool known as Wormhole. Also, Solana has been making great strides in the NFT space this month after the launch of Degenerate Apes, which successfully sold out 10,000 pictures of comic apes valued at $5.9 million in just 8 minutes. So we know all of this will always translate to the chart as buyers flock to buy Solana, and traders will always monetize the hype. So let's jump into the price action, see what is it telling us. So looking at the chart here for Solana, there's a couple things we can see right off the bat on the weekly. RSI is all the way in the overbought region. Previous areas, that's where we touched it before, with the MACD being also, start to see some sort of retracement. We haven't really seen that yet with Solana, but I am seeing that retracement happen. We got all the way to $130 this week, and right now we're actually back all the way at the 114. So this can easily be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. And again, I think this could be a huge development for Solana. We'll see what's going to happen. The excitement is building up. But nonetheless, August 27th came in. You'll see that this was right here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 days after, we're still seeing that continuation of price action. But the retracement is definitely there and it's telling us something. So weekly chart, RSI is all the way in the overbought region, something that we need to 100% pay attention to. And I'll tell you something about that on the daily chart as well. And the MACD is all the way at the top. But the most important thing right now is the volume, right? So first week, second week, third week of that price action, volume has been just continuing to decrease, and that to me is very alarming. So usually whenever the volume continues to decrease, that's telling me there's less and less interest in the current trend, and in Solana's case it's actually an uptrend. So if we go to the daily chart, we'll see here that retracement is pretty more evident for today. Major sell-off is happening today. Not that major, but a drop off from the $130 all the way to the $16, just an 11% retracement, so nothing crazy. But then again, if we continue to see that retracement past the $110 and this candle turns more of a inverted hammer, that's a reversal sign on the daily. It's going to tell you that there's something that's going to happen soon, and we might actually continue to downtrend. But looking at the VPVR here on a daily, a couple of levels that actually are pretty important to me are somewhere here. If we're looking here, there's a lot of trading activity at this level, so somewhere at the $73, $75 region. And before we even get there, to me also as well, there's this level right here that's going to act some sort of a cushion where we had that retracement before, and most likely with some sort of a breakout. If we go to those slower levels, you'll probably see even more. But somewhere, somewhere I would say from the $100 region down to the $90 region, within that range, we will find some sort of support that I would be looking for those buyers to jump back in if this uptrend is to continue. So August 27th came in. Again, volume is pretty good still compared to yesterday. But if you think about it, volume at this level here, 11 point some million Solanas, actually drove the price action from the $93 all the way to the $115, and we saw some sort of retracement coming back down to the 110. Now, almost, today's volume is almost close to that, but we're seeing a lot more retracement, meaning that a lot of sellers actually jumped into the market and started selling more. So equal volume almost, but the candle is looking more weak in terms of bullishness. That also tells you, hey, just keep in mind, watch what's happening, especially if you're looking at the weekly as well. The volume has been also decreasing. So I think there is some sort of reversal coming in, but the excitement is just too much. Maybe buyers don't even care about this for now. But again, if you're looking to jump into this, I would say 100% proceed with caution. And again, that's something where you should accumulate it a while back. Solana's been doing great. We had a video about Solana on Audience as well a couple of weeks ago talking about these things, and the NFT boom doesn't care about what Bitcoin is doing, doesn't really care about what crypto overall is doing. Even if we're downtrending, regulations and all that FUD, We don't care. NFT consumer base is there. Gaming, it's also there. The consumer base is there, and it's always going to act as a cushion regardless, right? So it's pretty good. And I have these blue lines here. I'm just going to end this video soon. We have this blue lines here just to show you a bit more. This is more of like a trading analysis kind of trading analysis, technical analysis, my bad. Again, once the MACD starts to have some sort of a downtick, so overall, you'll highlight those areas where the RSI is above the 70 region. So that's an overbought region. And you start looking at the MACD. Once the MACD starts to have some sort of a tick to the bottom, that's always tied to some sort of a downtrend or consolidation. So we have a small one here, we have another one here. As soon as we start downtrending a bit, our size in the overbought region, boom, we drop again. Somewhere here as well, MACD start to go down. We've been in the overbought region for a while. We also drop again. And right now here, the past back in what do we have? August 20th. Same thing, same combination. MACD is about to start to downtick. RSI is in the overbought region. Same thing. So right now, I guess something that I would be looking for here, just even for trading this or whatever the case might be for you. Maybe you want to wait, maybe you don't. I'm just explaining the technical analysis. Once you start seeing the MACD starting to kind of curve back down, I'm pretty sure we need to be looking at somewhere here, the $97 region or the $73 region for some sort of support. And then we'll see what's happening with Solana. This big event today, is it going to sustain? Is it not? I'm pretty sure that the excitement is there. We're really heading towards a lot of developments for Solana, and the adoption has been crazy. So this could reach to, I don't even know. I don't want to predict. I hate predicting prices, to be honest. But again, maybe I'll look more and more into it and see some sort of data points where I could see this actually getting in the future. So let me know how that, if that's something you'd like to actually see or not. And if also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you join our Discord as well. We're going to have some changes to the prices and all that. And yeah, check out all the links in the description below. Comment, let me know what you think, and have a great day.